To transfer money, start by opening the May app on your device and signing in to your account using your credentials. From there, you can click on the Transfer option and then select Others to transfer money to another account, which can be at another bank, to someone else, or even overseas. To do this, click on Banks and choose the bank you want to transfer money to. Then enter the recipient's account number, the amount you want to transfer, and a reference for the recipient. After confirming the details, including the date, recipient reference, and bank name, you can click Transfer Now to complete the transaction, which will be followed by a Transfer Successful notification. Alternatively, you can use the Scan and Pay option on the May app by scanning the QR code of the person you're transferring money to, entering the amount, and clicking Pay Now, which will also result in a Payment Successful notification. Both methods allow you to share the transaction receipt and click Done to finish the process.